a bad view.
Somewhere, baby, it's part of me, apart from me. You lay waste to Halloween. You fucked it, friend, it's on its head, it struck the street. You're in Milwaukee off your feet. And once I knew I was not magnificent.
Probably very slippery too. Nice. Hi, post by the extreme signs.
Stick with us. But I could see for miles, miles, miles. Third and Lake, it burnt away the whole way. Was where we learned to celebrate. Automatic portraits you told me.
Good morning. Today I overslept. You can see my setup here.
Not the meaning nor the thread that lost the crew. See nothing.
And now I'm heading to Mount Edit Cavell, if that's how it's pronounced.
And once I knew I was not magnificent. All far from the highway.
Well, that was just a quick pit stop at Sunwapta Falls.
Take it fake and stick with us. And I could see for miles.
Be a nice view. We are here. Well, you guys are home, but I'm here. And I'm gonna have a look at the Athabasca Glacier. Before we start, you guys have a hard to a long problem because we're at 2,000 meters or 6,500 feet up. So, you know, take your time. You can pause the video if you want, or you know, you don't want to end up like this guy.
Hey, good morning. I probably look like I'm dying right now, but I'm not. It's like 6:45. I made it to Lake Louise. I'm just walking down to the lake right now.
And once I knew I was not magnificent.
And now I'm driving to Moraine Lake, and it's pretty scenic right now. I don't know if you can see from that side, but it's like completely foggy. So, sort of starting to just check the colors. So I'm just driving around, what's it called? Bow Parkway, something like that. Pretty cool views. are on day 6, which is the last complete day of the road trip.